Nothing. We're off to a good start this morning as well. Take a look at the Golden Gate Bridge, and we're switching cameras there for you on the fly. We are now looking at the East Bay, where you can see a little bit of fog out there as well. Temperatures in the 50s right now, area-wide. 57 in Oakland, 57 Livermore, and 55 in Redwood City this morning. As we move on throughout the day, you're going to notice conditions pretty similar to yesterday. We are on the cool side, cloudy along the coast, but warm and sunny inland, not hot by any means. What we are going to see is this trough of low pressure moving inland over the next 2 days or so. That will continue to bring temperatures down. Futurecast showing, though, sunshine for most inland and then cloudy, cooler along the coast and for folks on the peninsula. Tomorrow, we see the cloud cover, that stratus move farther inland. That's going to help to cool things down a little bit, and really just a demonstration of how we are going to cool down for tomorrow. For today, temperatures on the mild side, right around or just below average for this time of year. Temperatures topping out near 80 in San Jose as well as in Redwood City. 60s along the coast, 72 in Oakland, 87 Fairfield, 80 Vallejo, 83 in Napa, and 89 in Santa Rosa. Travel forecast, if you're heading out and about around Northern California, temperatures in the 90s for Fresno, 81 in Sacramento today, 70s for Lake Tahoe, 90s in Redwood City, 88 Ukiah, and 66 in Yosemite. So here's what to expect today. Temperatures warming into the mid-80s for most inland. Fog and clouds, though, continue along the shore. We are going to stay cool in the city. Fairly mild as we move into our work week. Temperatures cooling Monday and Tuesday, and then we kick off a warming trend Wednesday through the end of the week. And here's a look at those numbers. Again, mid-80s inland for the warmest spots today. 70s by the bay and 60s with some fog along the coast. More of the same tomorrow, though. Temperatures do cool by as much as 8 or 9 degrees for some of our warmer spots inland. Again, more cloud cover still around the bay and fog along the coast for your Monday. Staying cool Tuesday, but starting to trend up. And then high pressure begins to build back in Wednesday through the end of the week. And that's when we see numbers start to trend back up, hovering near 90 degrees for Wednesday through Friday of next week. Heading out and about today, sunshine and warm. Not hot, but warm inland for the Sonoma County Fair. 89 degrees for you there. Outside lands, grab that sweatshirt. 64 degrees. It's going to be cool at Golden Gate Park today. And the Summer Jazz Festival in San Jose, sunny, near 80 degrees. A beautiful day in the South Bay. We'll have more weather coming up in a bit, but first back over to you, Melissa.